Hello, welcome back everyone. Let us start with part number 6. So here first we have to draw a circle of diameter 10.5 and above that we have to draw a circle of radius 10 mm and both should be at a distance of 7 from the top plane. So first let me draw a line of 7 mm from this plane vertically, and at the tip of that line we'll draw two circles of one diameter 10.5 and the other circle of radius 10 mm, that is diameter 20 mm. And once we are done with the circles, we have to create the profile which is shown in the drawing. So let me create the circles first, and then we have to create this profile which is shown here, and then after dimensioning it, and then we have to go to protrusion and protrude it to a length of 3 mm. So just follow the steps which I have been doing here. Initially we have to make all of them symmetric, and once we are done with making them symmetric, we have to give the value to any one side, because since they are symmetric, the other side will adjust them automatically. Once we are done with the profile, click on return and then give the protrusion to a length of 3 mm by using symmetric protrusion. Now we are done with the model. Go to material, enter the material for the distance piece, that is bronze, and then go to file properties, then save the required data for the file property and then save the file. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.